Hey everybody, Roger Hill with Snake Pit here, and we are going to do a melt outside here with aluminum. It's already cold, but I'll grab some gloves. And my biggest concern really is that the cold is just going to pull down my pressure on the tank, on the LP, because it just, as it is when the liquid propane converts to a gas to burn, it pulls all the heat from the surrounding area, so it chills it, and that's why you get the frost on the tank. So we'll see how well it works. Check it out. We have aluminum wire that came stranded, and that came from James to give me to melt, so we're gonna do that. Okay, fired up. Now to get fire started to kick up the warmth here. Going to make fire. Sexy. So we had an accidental pour that turned out to be pretty cool. This little cast was right next to the cast iron here, and I over poured. It was the first time I ever poured aluminum, and this happened. I thought, well, crap, I ruined it, but it actually looks kind of cool just the way it is. Stoking the fire, keeping himself warm too. It's cold. Wind shifted. It dropped like 10 degrees in no time. Melting a little brass monster. Ready? My first brass bar. Pretty cool.